in Cal's car. So you and Cal could live the life that you wanted. Someplace else together forever.
Oh, yeah? Then why am I here? And where is Cal? Ah, you dumb bitch. If I was going to run away with Cal, then why didn't we? And where is Cal?
He's in your apartment, the one that you wouldn't let us in because painters were inside, where he's lived for 35 years. And lit. Come on.
Cal.
It's over. The car didn't burn up like he planned, so he went down to light it up. I drenched in gasoline.
So life together becomes a life sentence. But why would you stay? She murdered your wife.
He really was going to leave her. I went to get his things. He wasn't supposed to be there. And I flew into a rage, and it just happened. Well,
He's still complicit all these years.
he forgave me. And I love him as much as the day I met him. We just wanted to be together forever.
Forever just ended.
No.
Yes.
No.
Susan nailed you.
No.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. You cannot afford one.